On today's video, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way that you can make a bun with a claw clip in your thin, fine hair. If you don't have super long hair like I don't, you want to use a smaller clip. If your hair is on the longer side or on the thicker side as well as longer, you're probably going to want a little bit of a bigger clip. This clip is quite small. It's probably about an inch around. I do have these in my Amazon storefront. It doesn't have to be this little flower clip though. It could be any clip. You just want to make sure it's on the smaller side. However, one like this probably won't work, only because the area to hold hair is really small. So that's why I like these ones. They're small, but not so tiny. So, I mean, if your hair is really thin, thinner than mine, you could probably get away with something like that. But you don't want necessarily the tiniest. You want small, but not itty bitty. You could also try it with a bigger clip, but you're going to get less bun if you don't have as much hair because the clip is going to kind of take over the hairstyle.
You're going to start by gathering all your hair in your hands into a ponytail, and then you're going to start to twist it up at the base and put it against your head. Then you're going to take your claw clip and you're going to clip right at the base. Next, you want to separate your ponytail into two sections. If your hair has layers like mine, you want to make sure that you're trying to get the same length on each side. So I could tell here that I didn't, and I tried again. I still didn't really get the same length on both sides. I should have checked what I was doing and taking some hair from the longer side and the shorter side on each side, but it still works out in the end. You're going to separate each of those sides into another two sides. Wrap those two pieces around each other. When you get to the bottom, you're going to hold on to one piece and push the other piece up. And then you're going to take that tail and clip the tail of both pieces into your claw clip. Repeat on the other side, splitting it into two, wrapping the two pieces around one another. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to hold on to the one piece and you're going to slide the other piece up slightly just to create some texture and volume. And then you're going to make sure you clip both of those tail pieces up and into your claw clip. Then you can do any fluffing and pulling that you feel is necessary to make it look how you want it to. And that's it. You have made your cute little claw clip bun style that looks really great, even if you don't have a ton of hair.
So there we go. It's sort of like a cross between a claw clip style and a bun. I think it feels kind of like a bun. I know it's not like a traditional bun, but I feel like the way it's finished kind of has a bun feel. So that's why I call it a claw clip bun style. It's just a really cute and easy way to put your hair up with a bit of a different look, a bit of a different texture. I always love to give you guys ideas that are outside of what you might typically do every single day. So you can change it up and feel like you can have some new and different styles in your hair. Obviously, the more hair you have, the more coverage you're going to get of your clip. This is why I like to use a small claw clip that is cute, because you're definitely going to see the claw clip in this style if you don't have a lot of hair like me. But if you have more hair and you can create more sections out of your ponytail, you could definitely fill in that center and pull some pieces down over the middle and claw clip that way, creating even more of a voluminous bun look. But I just don't have that much hair, so we got to work with what we have. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you another fun hairstyle that you can try in your thin, fine hair. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you continue to show up and try to find ways to enjoy the hair that you have. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Make sure you like and share my videos with anybody that they might be helpful for. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!